I'm by play, big ears. I'm trying to talk to a big deal. And I get a phone key, and then my neighbor is sitting there signing off to him. I don't understand. That's enough to, oh man. Where you go, 131? You on the phone? Go bring me some bottles here, I got some Mosquito in Channel 6. I taking out folks here on 28. We need other guys. We might get in trouble, Brady. That's all I want to say.
Yeah, pero being a on patrol, I gotta get down your town, wake up.
Hey, 308. You need to call 800. Cause I don't nobody hear nobody right now. That's what it's all about. 308. Call 800 and get them on the radio that day. Top of the day to you, Freddie MacGyver, with that wave. And I'm back in my big old mother. That's what I thought. You bringing up folks that ain't even on the damn radio. Well, where are you pointing right now? I guess I run 131. I got money. I about that base. West side, somewhere there.
Yeah, Timbo Roger right on it, pero you got them all on over here in my cactus pants tonight. Snake Tiger, pero we get down, baby.
Yeah, been all day, my friend. Been all day. That's only 400 birds. That's about time, old thing. That woman that time of year. Always good in Baintown. Snake Dogger, appreciate what you do, 73. Oh, Bain, I'll get back with you.
Hey, Timbo Roger Dodger, pero being sure enough on patrol. I'll sure enough get back with you. Enjoy your evening time, and I'm down, baby.
I'm waiting on them buzzards. Hey, Snake Dogger, I'm waiting for them Tennessee and Kentucky buzzards come in there. Oh, Bain back last. Hey, Joe, it's been...
Hey, we're gonna need a lot of barbecue sauce here. We're gonna need us a lot of barbecue sauce. So getting on down, Pinto. Good night. Get eating, I'm down.
Yeah, Mama Nature good right now. Been good all day. Snake Dogger. Throw a little bit of Beetlejuice around Baintown. Appreciate what you do. Starting that new YouTube stuff. Everybody go over there and subscribe. Snake Doctor right there on the YouTube page. Oh, Pinto, Bain, Alabama. 73 double G's. And then back quiet.
Hey, Timbo Roger, right on. Hey, Pinto being 73s and double G's. Right back at your side of town, and I'm sitting down. Bye bye.
Lordy. Oh, I tell you what, that's like showstopper talk right there. It just hurts the ear. That's just like showstopper talking. Hey, Snake Doctor, I'm gone now.
Hey, I'm gone now. Bye.
I love this Mama Nature does say that, yeah, boy, 831. I know you're right, listen. 831. You better get them good Mama Nature. My boy. It's gonna be right over 831. What are you doing over there? That's right. Is there any rules for the deck party? You gotta have the proper, you gotta have the proper get up with a pimp scout. Those big old, nice leather, snaky boots. I want to in the common ones personally. I know you're gonna have my favorite duck over there from the, I'm talking about the audio, about 31, pump the audio up, don't pump up. Dickies, just pump the audio up.
Anyway, we kind of good. Rocking and rolling on some radio shit, and I don't know what you can do out there.
Hey, 131, what do you say?
I'm waving, I'm back off the key.
131, West Main. Well, maybe that'll help. I need to have my else on. A duck radio alert, that's what they say. Yeah, okay, he's smoking. What happened to him? Try to party. So your wide lapelled velvet or your fur trim?
Yeah, no pain, no strain. I still working. It's just right now with the mixer over there. Yeah, anyway, there one thing out there. Two of you was in there. No pain, no strain. Just wanted to wave at you one time, and I'm sitting here working on a tempo, actually, trying to get it tuned up. You got a couple of touches in there.
Well, the same thing about it is now. I ain't got no bass for being up in the sauna, having a good time. But when you get a monkey in there, especially when they're greasy, A131, especially when that monkey is greasy there, Roger. Maybe you could hand them down to a poor pimp. My mama nature's changing 31, very good. I'll be back.
Don't say that too loud, my friend. Yeah, I'll get back with you, Phil.
I've enjoyed today. I've had a damn good time today. It's one of these days where everybody gets along and poke fun and stuff. It's just been a good day right there, old baby back way. With the jewelry, at a later time. Take care, Big Pimp. Mosquito Man in this hall yard, old Pimp, with his cracked up alligator boots and no shagging carpet in his shed. I'm back out.
Country boys, you did get break up.
Don't be a winner. Don't be what they call it. Don't be a crab ball, man.
You just want to get in there. Radio operators, I'm back out. Hey, 276, 131, take care, take a minute, dental gone.
131 got me connected to Fireball somewhere now. in Alabama. Shame on that Captain Pickup, A131, Old Bean Bakeway. He probably taken now, I'm Bakeway.
Yeah, I wonder what color panties old Eugene's wearing tonight, Pando. I'm down.
You're all in your corner, my friend. Yeah. He probably taken now, man. Let's see what's up. But tell Eugene, old Pinto Bean leaving skid marks in his panties there, baby. She got promoted to Super Duck, so I guess that's promoted. I don't know. But I wanted that right there where old Eugene leaving skid marks in my panties. To pick up this microphone and talk on it. Panic attack, do everything else. You're the only one worked on my radios for many years now. You ain't play it. Hey, 131. All day that was like a he won't play the whole playback. Special going on. 308, we want to know, you still got that kind of big and special going on?